Hi fellow Coquerado participants. My name is Christian Bukke Henriksen and I'm Associate Professor at the University of Copenhagen. In this short video I would like to introduce you to the tasks that we're going to collaborate on in Work Package 4 in order to advance sustainable public food procurement. In task 4.1, which will be led by Line Riise Nielsen from the University of Copenhagen, we will start by bringing together national and local public authorities across the EU to share their experiences with specifying tender requirements for sustainable public procurement of food. Afterwards, we will organize dedicated multi-stakeholder workshops where we will connect both farmers, consumers and kitchen workers with the public authorities so that they can share their experiences and provide input on how the public food procurement system could be improved. In task 4.2, which will be led by Marta Andorf, also from the University of Copenhagen, we will focus on assessing the legal constraints for sourcing local and seasonal food from small producers. We will perform an analysis of the current EU and national legislation on specifying tender requirements for public food procurement, and we will develop a catalogue describing how existing public procurement legislation could be adjusted to make local and seasonal food more competitive. In task 4.3, which will be led by me, we will focus on developing standards, certificates and policy recommendations for sustainable food procurement to enhance the position of the farmer in the public procurement system. The standard certificates will be based on the indicators that we're developing in the Food Shift 2030 project, including both environmental and social indicators. Subsequently, we will discuss how public authorities may use these standards to demand the most sustainable solutions for their food supply. In task 4.4, which will be led by Marco de Beljac from JSI, we will bring together public authorities, farmers, kitchen workers and consumers for co-creating a decision support system to assist these public authorities in specifying tender requirements. End users from across all EU member states will be consulted to make sure that this decision support system is both easy to use, provide trustworthy and relevant information, use terms that are recognized and meaningful, and last also adapted to national and local conditions. In Work Package 4 we will complete and submit 4 deliverables. First, D4.1, which will be a report on good practices for sustainable public food procurement. D4.2, which is a report on legal constraints for sourcing local and seasonal food across the EU. D4.3, a sustainable food procurement standard certificate. And finally D4.4, which is a decision support system for specifying tender requirement for sustainable public food procurement. Besides the task leaders, then we also have Adam Adis-Prau, Luke Schaefer and Marian Lysak from University of Copenhagen and Aneta Trajanov from JSI that will be contributing to Work Package 4. We are very much looking forward to collaborate with all of you in the Coquerado project.